I'm out in the Longkill Woods today, and please listen to these sounds. I'm not sure what they are. I hope they come through on this video. Maybe it's a frog or a toad. I'm not sure. I'm standing on Yogi Court in what's now called the Cane Preserve. You can see these wetlands. So I guess they're probably frogs or toads. Not sure. I hope you can hear it. As I walk closer, they seem to be able to detect my presence. They sure love this warm spring day. I just hope they'll survive after the homes are placed up in this area. You can see there's a lot of wetlands here. As humans, we don't like these, but these creatures sure love them. They're very happy today. Oh, they have to be frogs or toads. I'm going to try to walk a little closer here. Maybe I can see one. Wouldn't that be great? As I get closer, they'll stop. Then I'll have to wait until they start up again. Okay, guys. See how they've lit up as I'm closer. Okay. If I quiet down here, maybe we'll see something. Oh, see something swimming in the water. Oh, yeah, I think it's definitely some kind of a, I'm going to try to zoom in. Yep, it's definitely some kind of a frog or a toad. Well, I'll bet one of my more literate nature friends will be able to identify these calls. I want to finish by showing you how close these wetlands are to the build area known as Cane Preserve.